There's a story so unkind in the holy book we find, and it tells how Jesus stood alone one day, false accused and they're condemned, yet they found no fault in him. The man who wore the scarlet purple robe, purple robe my Savior wore. Oh, the shame for me he bore, and he stood alone, rejected on that day. And they placed upon his head piercing thorns and blood-stained red. His raiment was a scarlet purple robe. In the common judgment hall he was mocked and scorned by all, as a tear of sorrow fell upon his cheek. Soldiers of the wicked man smote him with their evil hands. The man who wore the scarlet purple robe, purple robe my Savior wore. Oh, the shame for me he bore, as he stood alone, rejected on that day. And they placed upon his head piercing thorns and blood-stained red. His raiment was a scarlet purple robe. Words of truth were plain that day from the lips of Pilate came. In this man I find no reason he should die, but the multitude replied, let him now be crucified. The man who wore the scarlet purple robe, purple robe my Savior wore. Oh, the shame for me he bore, as he stood alone, rejected on that day. And they placed upon his head piercing thorns and blood-stained red. His raiment was a scarlet purple robe. His raiment was a scarlet